power on and off button, cord socket to insert your foot pedal to begin sewing, a hand wheel which will bring your needle up and down as you're beginning to sew, different stitches you can use, and you can also change the length and width of your stitch, horizontal spool where you can insert your thread when you're sewing, bobbin winder and bobbin winder stop, which stops your bobbin automatically, the tension, you can control the tension of your stitch, thread guide, thread take up, which leads the thread to your needle, the presser foot, the presser foot lifter, the bobbin plate, your needle, presser foot screw, a reverse stitch, which is located here on this model, your extension table, which can be removed completely to do a hemming on your pant leg, and the foot pedal.